Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix Windows cannot connect to the printer error 0x00000012 in your Windows 11. Now, there are a couple of steps which you could try to get this issue resolved. Now, the first step to resolve this issue is to go ahead and restart the Print Spooler. You will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on run. In the run window, you may go ahead and type services.msc and this should open the services window. In the services window, you will have to scroll down and look for Print Spooler. Once you locate Print Spooler, you will have to do a right click and then click on stop. Wait for a few seconds and then do a right click again and then click on start. Meantime, you can do a right click on the Print Spooler again, go to properties and make sure the startup type is being set to automatic. In case if it is being set to manual or disable, make sure you choose automatic from drop down from the list, then click on apply and then click on OK. Once this is done, you may close this window and this will help Windows manage printer jobs properly. Once this is done, the next thing what you could do is you can go ahead and clear the printer queue. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on run. In the run window, you will have to copy the path from my video description for C Windows System 32 spool and then click on OK. It will take you to the spool folder. Once you're on the spool folder, you can double click on the printers, and in case if there are any files or folders inside the printer, you may go ahead and delete them. Once you have deleted them, you may close this window. Once you have cleared the Print Spooler services, the next thing what you will have to do is you will have to go ahead and remove the printer. To remove the printer, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on settings. Once you're on the settings, you will have to click on the Bluetooth and devices and then printer and scanners. Select the printer that is showing the error message. For the demonstration purpose, I will choose the HP Smart Tank printer and then click on remove. Once this is done, you may close this window, and the next step what you need to do is you will have to go ahead and reinstall the latest printer driver. To reinstall the latest printer driver, what you could do is you can go to the printer manufacturer's official website. It could be HP or it could be a Canon or any other printer. You will have to go to the respective official printer manufacturer's website, download the latest driver for your Windows based on the model of your printer, install the driver on your PC, restart your computer. Once you restart your computer, the next thing what you will have to do is you will have to add the printer again. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on settings. Once you're on these settings, you will have to go to the Bluetooth and devices and then go to the printer and scanner. Click on add device and then when you get an option to click on add a new device manually. Now here you can select if it is a shared printer, you may go ahead and choose select a shared printer by name, or you can also add a printer by an IP address or a host name. So you can use any of these options. Follow the step-by-step instructions on the screen and that should add the printer on your computer. Once this is done, check if you're able to fix the problem. So all these steps should definitely fix the problem. In spite of trying all this step, if you're still facing a problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.